Any more birds over there? They're waiting. Because they know. They always ask, what is one thing that's unique about you? I can do a spot-on seagull impression. That's the only thing I can think. They just stand there and go, if I was a bird, I would shit on everybody all day long. And then he went, you know how they do that? And then like another one came. All right, seagulls. I'm coming for you. They're waiting here. And for those saying don't feed the seagulls, these things are garbage receptacles. They never eat their natural habitat food. Probably hardly ever. Look, they're waiting here for a reason. They're sitting down like... Yeah, I got lots of birds here. I want to pet a seagull on my lap, but they won't fucking let me. Do you think if I held a fry in my hand, they would come? Oh my god, it's sitting down on the ground. Look. You see him? Oh, you can't. See this one? This one here? Sitting? They'll take it from my hand, you think so? Yeah, bitches. Let's see if they come up to my car. Oh, wait. Hey. Hey. Here. They're fighting. Aw. Okay, now go away now. Hi. Time to give these seagulls something. Can they have ketchup or no? Come here! Watch this. Watch. Oh no! Watch. Come get it. You want it? Come and get it. Don't bite me though. Alright, fine. Aw, they're fighting. I'm gonna get in trouble with animal control. Man. They're on my car. Hi. Alright, get up! Go the hell away now. Hello. Hi. Well, that's it for you. You're not getting my cheeseburger. There's fucking birds on the top of my car. Do you hear them? Hey! I'm that person. You hear them pecking at my car? Get off of my car, you little shit! You heard me. Yeah, right. You hear them? You hear their feet? Do you hear them on my car? This is getting ridiculous. I'm actually a little scared. Get up! Should I check the roof of my car? I'll be back! It was on my car!